Dec26 here. I reworked this drawing I completed in 2015 and 2016. I reworked it this morning because it had been dry mounted to fabric, which was mounted to a board, and I wanted to be able to roll it up, so I had to pull it apart. Some of the paper tore. I ended up attaching new paper on the back, and I had to rework a few sections. And I did a bit more drawing, just a couple of odds and ends here, including writing, like Puget Sound, lutefisk, there. I'm also going to be changing the title to L with culture. The British style of dropping the H to L, apostrophe E-L-L, to L with culture, the magic of art making. Homage to the late Sir Herbert Reed and his magical mystery tour of my imagination of Puget Sound and Seattle. All right, there you have it. I first became familiar with Sir Herbert Reed in around 1974, 75, I think it was, when I got a copy of his book, To Hell with Culture, and I really enjoyed it. I remember one thing in particular he wrote about he viewed art making as magic, whether visual art, music, composing, writing, whatever. I always liked that premise. So we have freighters and sailboats and a crane I drew in Puget Sound. In 1990, I lived in the Pike Market then, and I used to commute along the waterfront to the Magnolia District where I worked in a branch at Seattle Public Library. We've got a Mad Hatter bird, top of a toothbrush I bought in West Palm Beach, Florida. For years I used to visit my late mom there. The Dawn of Life blade. A tentacled peanut butter jellyfish there. Fast-moving blade. Another freighter. Some fishy sea monsters. Sir Herbert, early man, which, thinking of this now, brings to mind certain autocratic heads of state of various governments around the world, who I won't mention by name. I'm sure viewers can think of who they are. And I see this one was titled Puget Sound Gefilte Fish back in 2015 or 16. All right, there you have it. I'm hoping to find a home for this, either in a public space where it can be permanently exhibited, or perhaps in a major art gallery, museum in American English usage, art gallery in Britain. Okay, there you have it. How are we doing over there? My stepkinder, they're truly foul. Had exercising and chortling and singing today. Very good, guys. Guys, gals, boys.